going to show you how to do a simple bar chart using SAS Studio, which is freely available to all students around the world. And if you want to know how to install SAS Studio, it's pretty simple. You just go to the link. Go to the link below. Uh, Type in the link. Just paste the link, and and you'll reach this site which will tell you how to install the SAS Studio, and it's pretty simple. It will take probably 15 minutes, and that would save a lot of time, and is also free. So please check out. So basically a graph like this has following two components. It needs to have a specific data set that you want to specify in the graph, and these graphs are written using some set of the codes, and the GTL here means graphic template language, which is the language, graphic language used in SAS. And this graph that today I'm going to show you has has five bars. In the y-axis is the availability of the medicines, and the x-axis is the type of pharmacies. Basically, we are interested to know what is the availability of medicine by different type of pharmacies, and it is also interesting to see there is also a secondary y-axis, which is the mean daily wages for the consumers using medicines from these pharmacies. So let's go to the course and start learning. So I've already set the SAS environment to run the course. So this is the first code that I'm going to run, which will provide me the data set that I want for this graph. So this will give you the data set. Name of that data set is query, and this data set has four variables. And if you want to have a look at the structure of the data set, then you probably need to look at the column names and other thing provided. And the second set of the course will give you the attribute map that I want to use to specify the color for this graph. In the first set of the code here, I am trying to delete some of the pharmacies that I don't want to be printed here. So let's see what happens. So yeah, we got this output data set which has four variables and corresponding availability, affordability of the medicines at these pharmacies. And the following course has two parts. First is the template procedure which we need to run to get the graph, and the second is the proc SGRENDER procedure which together with the proc template will provide the graph that you want. So let's first start with the proc template. Yeah, it looks okay. So this proc template specify the SAS to run a bar chart that is combined with a series plot. As I already mentioned you, this graph has two y-axes. This is the first y-axis which shows the availability of medicines. Let me show you. This is the first y-axis, and this is the secondary y-axis, which is this in the right hand side. And there is a series plot which will show you the trend for the affordability of the medicine. So to get the graph, we have already specified the ODS procedure, and let's see. Hooray, we got the graph that we wanted. It looks approximately the one that we I show you in the PPT. So in the y-axis is the availability of medicine, the x-axis is the type of pharmacies, and there is a secondary y-axis which shows the affordability of the medicines. Hope you guys will be able to learn from this video. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you everyone.